play anything, no of course I don't. I keep stiff upper lipped, and I remain equipped. Join the party, late night party, always finish what I've started. Spends her free time waiting to start deteriorating. Any twitch or feeling sets her mind a-reeling. Fastest one to panic when it's not organic. Though I've never clocked her when she phones the doctor. My chest is a painful ache, but do I cry about it? Of course not, for heaven's sake. My stomach's feeling weak, but do I spill my guts out about that when I speak? She has to stay in bed. Some sickness in her head's become my quandary, my hypochondriac. Proceed, but I still